What do you fancy?
Help. Looks like I'm ordering Huckleberry chicken,
It
isn't
looks
it?
like that, doesn't it?
At least I get to sit down whilst we do it. Sit in front of this fire.
Exactly.
So progress really has been slow on this. Yeah, by now I wanted to have it like fully painted. Obviously it's not it's not the case. But we've been doing things right, and I think that's probably better than half-arsing and having to sort them out in the future. Yeah, so we've not been half-arsing stuff. You can kind of see here. That's all been welded in. It's all good metal. It was a little bit crusty before. I didn't think it was as bad as it was. So I'll be honest, I'm a bit pissed really. These two doors were sold as pretty much perfect. Got them home and they are far from perfect. Yes, they were a little bit along the bottom. And then on this corner, it right through, so I've welded in a new corner. You can kind of see it there. Honey's a little bit sad because her best friend Rex, the rabbit, because the rabbit passed away last week, and she's not been the same since. She's depressing. I think I said earlier, yeah, Alfie fit a load of parts, cooling related parts, yesterday. It is amazing what Heritage Parts Centre sell. They, the whole sort of coolant hose kit has sort of like literally saved us. This week I'll be ordering the window rubber set from Heritage Parts Centre. I think it works out about £170. I've not had one before, but I can imagine like the rest of their parts is sort of like top quality stuff. Gonzi's just gone to make pancakes, but yeah, she was just on the brink of finishing the boot. I don't know if you watched the previous episode or maybe even the first one, you'll see just how horrific the boot was. In other news, put the Golf up for sale this morning. How rude these wheels look on the caddy. It'd be pretty cool to have like a his and hers set for the van and the caddy as well. I know it's a bit of a distraction, but obviously once the camper is done, we'll be working on the caddy. So it was my first car.